So welcome back everyone to F125 last heat. It's the third start of the weekend here in Jedovnice for the first Hydro GP of 2020. Someone is trying to blow up his engine here. Very interesting. Very interesting. But we have Gabriele Rossi from first place, Ongari from second, Tarai from third, Lubenov from fourth, and Finotti from fifth place. If I'm not mistaken, after him, Synaraki, then Simona Herbansky, I believe. Yes, Herbansky, Scarpa, Wolsten. Number 37 is Jordanov, 27 Giraldi, 98 Stoyanov, 28 will be can't find him in Klup and so on. And the last place number 46 Tolaczynski. And we have the lights in a moment. Let's see if Ongari gets a good start as well as he did in second heat. Looks like he's a little bit and Ongari did not get away from the start pretty much at all, and it is really close between 5 drivers. Gabriele Rossi is away in his own race now, but looks like Tarai, Lubenov, Finotti and Synaraki from the outside are now giving it all for the second position. Lubenov has fallen out, Finotti has fallen out from that, and looks like it is Synaraki from outside takes the second place with Tarai third. Oh, and we have a very interesting moment there. I did not see who it was. And we have a red light, and we will back with you soon. Enough. That was very interesting. Did not see if any boats were over, but hopefully everyone all right. And yes, it for sure was not Gabriele Rossi, but it was right down there. I will see. I believe it might have been Tarai who had this interesting hook in, but yeah, I don't see him on the jetty traffic right now. Yeah, it probably was Tarai who hooked in the first corner. Now it will be interesting to see whose fault the red flag was. But we will be back with you in some moments. Or let's see in the back for a second. Oh, we have a few boat crash. I can see number 12. It was maybe Scarpa there, and then Tarai. Hopefully they are okay. Hopefully. But we will be back with you soon.